Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to The Big Sweep, your go-to place for all things clean and clutter-free. I'm Kelly, and today we're tackling a project that can feel daunting, but ultimately super rewarding: clothes decluttering. Let's be honest, our closets can become a graveyard for forgotten trends and unworn pieces. But don't worry, decluttering warriors. We've got some awesome challenges to help you streamline the process and transform your wardrobe into a haven for clothes you actually love to wear. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you're ready to conquer your closet, and don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep for more cleaning hacks and organization tips. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new episodes. Now let's get down to those challenges. Challenge 1. The 1-year rule Blitz. This first challenge is all about efficiency. We're calling it the 1-year rule Blitz. Here's how it works. Gather all your clothes in one central location, like your bed or the floor. Now, ask yourself a simple question. Have I worn this item in the past year? Be honest with yourself. This isn't about judging your past fashion choices, but about creating a wardrobe that reflects your current lifestyle. Tip 1. Seasonal sorting. To make things even faster, consider tackling this challenge every season. If it's spring, focus on your winter clothes. Chances are, if you haven't worn it in the past cold season, you probably won't miss it next year. Tip 2. Consider sentimental value. Now, some clothes might have sentimental value, even if they don't get worn often. For those special pieces, consider taking photos for memories or finding creative ways to display them. Sorting piles. Once you've gone through everything, create 3 piles: keep, donate, and sell, if applicable. Be ruthless. The goal is to surround yourself with clothes that spark joy and fit your current needs. Challenge 2. The outfit challenge. Feeling stuck and unsure what to keep? This next challenge, the outfit challenge, is for you. Grab 10 hangers and pick out 10 pieces you absolutely love. Now, challenge yourself to create at least 5 complete outfits with these 10 items. Tip 1. Versatility is key. When selecting your 10 pieces, prioritize versatility. Look for items that can be easily mixed and matched to create different looks. Basics like a good pair of jeans, a classic white tee, and a timeless blazer are great foundations. Tip 2. Embrace layering. Don't forget the power of layering. Adding a cardigan or scarf can completely transform an outfit. It's a fantastic way to get more mileage out of your wardrobe. The aha moment. This challenge is a great way to identify pieces you wear often and discover hidden gems you might have forgotten about. It can also expose gaps in your wardrobe, like a missing pair of jeans or a specific type of top you need to complete certain looks. Challenge 3. The category Blitz. For those who prefer a more targeted approach, we've got the category Blitz. Here, choose a specific category of clothing like dresses, work attire, or workout clothes. Now give them the 1-year rule treatment. Tip 1. Be specific. To really streamline this challenge, be even more specific within the category. For example, if it's work clothes, focus on tops or bottoms separately. This way, you can tackle smaller chunks at a time and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Tip 2. Embrace multifunctionality. This challenge is a great opportunity to identify clothes that can serve multiple purposes. Can that dress go from work to a night out with a simple accessory change? Is that workout top cute enough to wear with a pair of jeans for errands? Challenge 4. The friend swap. All right. This challenge is a fun one that involves your besties. We're calling it the friend swap. Organize a clothing swap party with your friends. Tip 1. Set guidelines. Before the party, set some ground rules. Agree on the types of clothes you'll be swapping, like work attire or casual wear. You can also decide on a number of items each person can bring. Tip 2. Make it a fun event. Turn your swap party into a fun event. Play music, serve snacks and drinks, and enjoy the company of your friends while giving your clothes a second life. Plus, you might just walk away with some amazing new-to-you pieces that perfectly complement your wardrobe. Bonus tip: embrace the power of maybe. Let's face it, sometimes letting go can be tough. If you're truly on the fence about an item, create a maybe pile. Store these clothes away in a box or container for a designated period, like 3 months. If you haven't reached for them during that time, it's a sign you can probably donate or sell them. So there are 4 awesome challenges to help you speed up your clothes decluttering process. Remember, the key is to be honest with yourself and prioritize functionality and pieces that make you feel confident. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell for more cleaning hacks. Leave a comment and tell us your favorite decluttering tip and share any tips of your own. Alright, we've thrown some challenges at you, but sometimes a little extra help goes a long way. Here are some pro decluttering hacks to maximize the effectiveness of each challenge. Challenge 1, the 1-year rule, Blitz folding frenzy. Instead of tossing everything in a pile, try folding clothes neatly as you go through them. This not only saves space, but also helps you visualize how much you actually own. Plus, neatly folded clothes are easier to reevaluate in the keep pile. Seasonal storage. For the clothes you decide to keep but aren't in season, utilize storage solutions. Invest in underbed storage containers or vacuum bags to keep them dust-free and organized until next year. Challenge 2, the outfit challenge. Pinterest inspiration. Feeling stuck on outfit ideas? Utilize Pinterest. Create a board dedicated to outfit inspiration and use it as a reference while building your 10-piece capsule wardrobe. Mirror. As you create different outfits, utilize a full-length mirror to assess the fit and overall look. This helps avoid ending up with clothes that look great on a hanger, but not so much on you. Challenge 3, the category blitz. The too worn pile. Sometimes letting go is about recognizing wear and tear. During the category blitz, create a separate pile for clothes that are ripped, stained, or overly worn. These items might be better off getting repurposed into cleaning rags or being recycled. Shop your closet. First, before heading out to buy new clothes, complete a category blitz on a specific category you're considering adding to. You might be surprised by what hidden gems you discover and realize you don't actually need to buy anything new. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next episode.